welcome back to the Okeechobee Libraries channel. My name is Madison, and today I'll be showing you how to make the swimming jellyfish craft. For this craft you'll need one paper plate, a jellyfish body template. It's kind of shaped like a doorway. You'll also need 20 strands of 5-inch yarn, one blue crayon, one popsicle stick, 2 googly eyes, and you'll also need glue or tape. We'll be using glue, and a pair of scissors. Alright, let's get started. So first thing you're going to do is take your paper plate, popsicle stick, and your blue crayon, and then you're going to color the entirety of your popsicle stick as well as your paper plate blue. Alright, so once those are done, next step is you're going to take your scissors and cut a straight line across your paper plate right here. And you can do that by folding your paper plate in half and then cutting one little hole right here. And then once you have the start, you just cut in a line. And you're going to stop right here at the rim because you do not want to cut it too far that way. Alright, so next you're going to take your jellyfish body template as well as your scissors, and you're just going to cut around where the line is. Alrighty, and it should look like this. Alright, so next you're going to take your body template and your 20 strands of string. If you got the take-home kit, there should be a tiny little knot right here that you can easily just undo. And what you're going to do is take the strands of string, probably one at a time, put glue on the straight edge of the jellyfish, and then start gluing them in a line here. So once you have it kind of looking like this, you're going to keep it flipped over where the glue is, take your popsicle stick, and then glue the popsicle stick about right here over the strands of yarn. Alright, so once it's dry, you're going to flip it over and then glue your 2 googly eyes on the face, like so. Alright, so then once everything is dry, you're just going to take your paper plate again, and then take your little jellyfish, and then you're just going to shove the popsicle stick through the hole right here. Make sure that all the little tiny tentacles and the body stay out in the front, and then you're basically just going to wiggle them back and forth using the stick underneath. And then you have your swimming jellyfish. And that was how to make the swimming jellyfish craft. If you like this video, feel free to stay tuned on our channel. We have craft videos coming out all summer for all ages, as well as our book bites and movie morsels that we'll be picking back up in the fall. Feel free to like and subscribe, and have a great day. As well as our book mites, not book mites, book definitelys.